In this current timeline, we all know that climate change is really relevant. All of us experience the change of weather abruptly, that even the PAG-ASA or the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration cannot predict the weather to inform us. As the climate change my gosh, it's so hot today. Yesterday was cold. Climate change is really relevant.
Yes, that's true. Oh, wait.
Let's buy some.
Look, Brad, it's fresh. Let's buy some. Yes, it's fresh. Come and buy.
Let's buy for a salad. Yes, I think this one. This.
How much? 100.
Thank you very much. Thank you. This looks fresh. Oh my god. It's fresh. I want it all raw.
That's true. The climate is always changing and it's unpredictable. That's why any trees chemicals spray keep it very
Yes, me too. It's nice to see that we still have a lot of things, even though we are chemicals and food.
Oh, sir, you're here then. Do you want to buy vegetables again?
I'm here your conversation with her. How can you be sure that the vegetable are selling wouldn't affect the consumer's health?
Oh, sir, don't worry. The chemicals are safe for the consumers.
Get out of my face.
So we have something to report. Every states are urgent action. What is your report right now? It's about the spreading chemical spray. Where they spray it on the fruit so they don't rot immediately and they can still sell it. We don't know if this is their only strategy or if they have other ways to practice. Sir, I need the evidence. Who have evidence for food because we have evidence?
Oh my gosh, Hannah, we forgot to make a salad.
We bought it a week ago.
Why is it still fresh? I think there's a chemical in here.
Oh my god. Let's go.
After doing some research, we found a Republic Act about Food Safety Regulation, which is named as the Food Safety Act of 2013, or Republic Act number 10611. It indicates that consumers should be protected from malicious practices in terms of foods, and that every food that the Filipinos will consume will undergo through inspection. We feel relieved that this law exists because there are many kiosks and even producers that put chemical on the foods that they are selling for their own benefit, which is getting money from the consumers or monetary fund. Therefore, we think that we should empower this law to prevent food-related malicious acts. In preventing this, we can ensure consumers that they are getting the nutrients that they need in the food that they are eating.